Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add music from your phone files to CapCut. So here you just need to click on the audio menu at the bottom, click on sound, and in here click on the folder icon on the sound page and choose from device. Okay, so now you can just choose which one that you want to add to CapCut. For example, I want to add this one. Just click on the plus icon, and just like that, the audio file or music will be added to your CapCut track. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.